Well, hello. Welcome to my channel. It is Ivycreates. I have a website, ivycreates.com, and a Facebook page at DeonnaAC, and I am DeonnaCarroll, and Deonna is spelled Deonna, Carroll. And I wanted to take this time to tell you a little bit about what I do and what I know and what I can offer you in help, in wisdom, and education, everything that I offer. The first thing that I do know a lot about, because I grew up in the business, is floral design. So I'm second generation floral designer. My mom was one for 40 years, and I've been one since I was 10 years old. So I'm just about at the same time as her. And I know a lot about plants, a lot about flowers, real or not, a lot about gardens, and a lot about other things. And what I really like to get into eventually is edible plants in an edible yard. And my big thing is super edible plants that you can eat all the parts of, plants that you can find readily available. That's what I would like to get into eventually and share with you as I research it. The next thing that I was wanting to talk about my experience, I was a furniture showroom designer. I know a lot about decor, staging, design, color theory. I did faux finishing classes at Lineage Home Furniture in High Point, North Carolina. I've taken interior design classes. So I know a lot about that as well, and I'm willing to share the knowledge on that. Hopefully we'll get into that. The next was really on the opposite side of what I know, and so I tend to go back and forth between technology and creative and art things. So the next thing I did, I was a telecom manager for about 12, 13 years, and I was the general manager over multiple stores. So they were award-winning for like T-Mobile, CenturyTel, and Alltel. Award-winning stores, and I've taken about 163 certifications just in T-Mobile alone. So I know a lot about the sales. I know a lot about leadership, a lot about those things, and I look forward to sharing knowledge with you on any of those items. The next thing I did after that, and I've done so many different things, I was a store owner, an entrepreneur. I opened a store called Mississippi Made, Mississippi Proud. And in that store, I got vendors from all over the state of Mississippi who made their own products in Mississippi. Soap, bonnets, little girl dresses, there might be jewelry, there might be fishing lures, cast nets. There were, carved, what do you call it? Canes, and art and sculpture. And I had a baker, I had a basket weaver in there. So I did learn how to do some basket weaving. I learned how to do a little bit of cast net making. Not very good at that one. I took those opportunities too when I had guests in to teach, that I would also learn those things. And I will tell you what, basket weaving has been quite a change, and I loved it. So anyways, I also did my own crafts, and I am a painter. I've been a painter since I was a very small child. And again, I'm trying to go to where I can help people find their gifts through all of my knowledge as a whole. I can hopefully help you with your gifts and help you find what you're looking for. Next thing, experience I have, I also did professional photography. So I can get into that a little bit. I did real estate agent. I'm a licensed real estate agent. And I was self-taught in a lot of things about history, fashion, money, finance, and I'm not giving financial advice, don't get me wrong, but I can tell you some history and stuff about those things. Most of all, I'm an artist and a creative person, and I create. It's like you wake up in the morning, it's like I have to make something. I have to make something. I don't know what it is, but I got to make it. So that's me. Every day of my life, I got to create. I got to create, or I got to go plant something. I've got to go arrange the flowers. And it's just I am non-essential. I am a luxury item. However, I've come to believe that being a luxury item is a good thing because I make the world beautiful. So, anyways, I can offer you wisdom, experience, fun, skill, creativity, brainstorming, and we can find your gifts. But first, come watch my videos, subscribe, get notified with the little bell, and follow my Facebook pages at DeonnaAC or DeonnaCarroll. CARROLL is my last name. And I go live a lot on the Facebook. So come and see me there, or go to my YouTube channel and watch my past videos. And I look forward to interacting with you. So I want you to have a great time on my channel. Thank you.